Today I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Facebook account. Open the Facebook app, then click on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now expand Settings and Privacy and click on Settings, then select See More in Account Center. Under Account Settings, click on Personal Details, then select Account Ownership and Control. Now you have two options, memorialization or deactivation and deletion, so we're going to delete it. This next screen will ask you which Facebook profile you want to delete, so click on the one that you want. Facebook will ask if you simply want to deactivate or permanently delete your account, so I'm going to click Delete Profile and continue. Now they want to know why you're deleting your profile, so just click on whatever you want and continue, then continue on this screen as well. This screen gives you the option to save your posts or download your Facebook information. Once you're ready, go to the bottom and click Continue. Now it will ask you for your password, so enter it and continue to the next screen. This is the final warning before your channel is scheduled to be deleted, so if you're sure, click on Delete Profile.